Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Oh, lunch. He's having a moment.
Yeah.
Like Christopher Columbus.
Yeah.
We're learning Hindi. Kaise ho abis? How are you? And Tanya Wad. Tanya Wad, softy. Is thank you.
Start as well.
Tanya Wad. Namaste. Nailed it. Day 3, day 4. We got up nice and early this morning. Got a train back to the airport for a very exciting reason, of which will be revealed shortly.
I'm sold.
She's beautiful. What you got there, Anna?
I've got a chocolate walnut brownie and a cappuccino.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
My pleasure.
This is why we got up so early. Say what? Driving to Shillong.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
The weather is bad at Shillong.
Yeah.
Look forward to that.
To Shillong, or we thought we were getting a helicopter to Shillong, and we were coming in and I was like, this airport looks a lot like the one in Guwahati. Apparently the weather's too bad, so we couldn't fly the whole way. Waiting to find out if we're going to try flying again, or if we're going to get a car and do a long drive.
Damn.
Home for the next few days. Modifying the window so we don't get eaten alive. Look at that. When in India, finally got to Shillong. Things have got a bit emotional, but I think it's going to be alright.
Things are taking a turn for the best.
She's beautiful. I'm not going to lie, I don't feel very good about that. How did you enjoy your pizza?
I feel great. I feel really good about it. It's my anniversary today. Happy anniversary, Aston. Now we're going to go get drunk and hopefully do some karaoke and get Scott some Tinder rights wipes.